All right, guys, it's time for John's car to get a new lip.
About time.
And you know, we're working in a bug graveyard because we've had a fun 2 days.
Bug City for sure.
Driving like hell.
Yeah, those bugs are all over this car, but it's all right.
It's gonna look so good, dude. All right, so I'm gonna do a little bit of test fitting first. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. So today, me and John are actually going to Greenville in his M4 to finally pick him up a front lip. I'm pretty sure it's the PSM V-Style. I do think that is my favorite lip, so I can't wait to see it on John's car. I can't wait to help him install it. Guys, last night was crazy. I hope you liked that vlog, but look at the front of my car right now. Riding on the Blue Ridge Parkway at night, that's what you're gonna get. It's crazy. But anyway, let's hop in the car and let's go. John's gonna use his $1 profit to buy his new front lip.
Yep, it's gonna all go to that lift.
Vegas came in handy, baby.
I know. Couldn't do without Vegas, you know?
When you come back with $1 extra in your pocket from Vegas, you won.
It goes to car parts.
Yeah. Gas money to go get car parts.
Yeah, pretty much.
George wants food so bad he's just on the table. That's crazy, dude. 5.0 Mustang cop.
Yeah, the two lights on the front of his car, and I can see like the radio.
I think I saw the God, dude, he's fucking flying, dude.
Yeah.
I'm glad he gets to fucking drive like that and we don't.
Yeah, and he has a license plate, tinted license plate cover, which I got
Tinted license plate
for.
cover. They do all the illegal shit.
Yeah.
That is insane.
Yeah.
A 5.0 Mustang, unmarked cop, like that should be illegal.
Yeah, for
Like,
sure.
cop cars are supposed to be like something that everyone can see. So like if we need you, if we need your assistance, we can point you out. That's fucking bullshit.
Yep.
And he was flying too.
I mean, you can't pick him out, like, unless, like, you actually know, like, you can tell that he's a cop. Like, no one's gonna be able to really tell that he's a cop. So if you need a cop, like, if you blow a tire on the side of the road, like, you know, you're not gonna know.
Yeah. It's crazy. Like, I don't know, man. I don't hate cops, definitely. Like, I have friends who are cops, but I don't like all of them, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Like, why is he driving that? Like, if you're driving that fast, you should have fucking lights on. That was like he was going to a call or something.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
That's nuts.
Yeah.
We're ready to get this lip and get back to civilization.
Yeah, these roads are horrible down here. No offense to our Greenville boys, but these roads suck.
Yeah, they're bad.
Whole city.
And like Asheville roads are kind of bad. They're pretty bad actually, but this is like a whole level of worse.
Yeah, traffic isn't great either.
Yeah, it's pretty packed. John definitely wants exhaust now.
For sure.
As
After
do I.
hearing that. What do you say though? AWE?
AWE.
Yeah, that sounded ideal, man.
All right, guys, I'm torn. Should I put a wing on the F80?
I think so. I think so for sure.
Bad friend, but I'm a bad friend to him. Let me know in the comments below. Should I put a wing on the F80? Vorsteiner wing or GTS wing? I'm leaning Vorsteiner. I've always wanted that one. So, I don't know. I'll look like a dipshit little kid, but I love the way they look. I'll look like a punk, but I love the way they look. I'm not encouraging any illegal activity with this camera, but it's a pretty car.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that a lot.
If you ever watch my YouTube, dude, shout out to you. It's a nice car.
Nice.
If I got one of those, I would definitely do the coupe.
Right, right.
Look how wide. It's giving off like wider panels than the F80.
Yeah, this car's
Would you rather have the M4 or 1M?
both for sure.
Yeah. If I could have both, I would have that.
Yeah, if I had the money for both, I would definitely have both, but definitely
Yeah.
take this over this one first for sure.
So we stopped by the BMW place, obviously, but we were looking for a black GTS, M4 GTS that they had, or are getting there. It said it wasn't there yet, but I feel like they weren't taking us really that serious. But honestly, if the numbers were right, I'd probably do it. Trade the F80, get a GTS.
Yeah.
And if the numbers are right, I can pull it off.
Have a GTS on the channel.
Yeah, dude.
It's like right in the middle of Nashville.
Yeah, not bad. Fuel reserve.
Yeah, right.
Scare the shit out of you.
I know. I was like, damn it.
There goes the crank up. Look at this view. What the hell?
And then we go back down right here.
All right, guys, it's time for John's car to get a new lip.
Yeah, those bugs are all over this car, but it'll be alright.
It's gonna look so good, dude. All right, so I'm gonna do a little bit of test fitting first. Oh yeah, it's gonna look so much better. We just kind of got jacked up to the car right now.
Today's the day that the F82 M4 Azurite Black is getting a front lip.
Yes, sir. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take it back down, and we are going to clean our surfaces, and we're going to double-sided tape this thing onto the car. And once it's secure with double-sided tape, we're just gonna self-tap it in there. So here goes nothing, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna, after this, probably gonna do some interior stuff like that. Lock interior thing.
We're almost done.
Yeah, almost there.
All right, John. The front lip is on. How do you feel?
Super good. I mean, it looks so good with this front lip on. It basically makes the car.
All it's missing is a bath.
Yeah, that's all it really needs. I mean, it's sturdy as hell, but
Yeah, mine is too, man. It's bad.
it makes it look lower than it really is.
Oh yeah, it makes a big difference.
Yeah.
Like John's car isn't lowered, guys, and I don't think John has lower in his car on like the top of his list of mods. But since his car is dark and he has 20-inch wheels with bigger tires than OEM, the wheel gap's just really not that bad. It's such a beautiful lip.
Yeah.
I wish I could run this lip.
Man, it's nice.
Well, I'm glad you like it. It's been a cool day. We got to travel, go all the way to Greenville, South Carolina. Then we came all the way back to Asheville and then all the way back to my house to put this on. Yeah, it just finished off everything, so you pretty much have all the carbon bits you need.
For sure. Looks so good.
I love the side view. All right, John.
All right, man.
Happy for the new lip.
Thanks again for your help. Yeah,
course.
definitely. The Azure AM4 appreciates it too.
Yeah.
Definitely changes the whole look of the car.
John has to leave, and I was even going to give his car a bath, but he's got shit to do. I've got shit that I should do. All right, guys. So today's been a pretty cool adventure, and I hope that you like watching that kind of content. But anyways, I'm tired, I'm sweaty, I'm nasty, so I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Peace out.